There's a special tool for removing the screws. Need to buy separately. Don't tighten any screws until it is assembled to this state. Now we can tighten them all. The pulley needs to be taken out now. To facilitate installation, remove these two items. Retreat to this position. Place the caliper on the outer side. For the following steps, remember to install with the belt. Don't make the same mistake as I did. If the pulley can't be installed, you can press this position inward. Reminder again, remember to install the pulley together with the belt. Only install it on the left side to limit the position of the caliper.